Hello and good morning YouTubers on a Super Bowl Sunday. Yes, I am recording this on a Super Bowl Sunday. Well, this portion if anything. And I got something to show you guys today. So right in front of me I have a package or a box or a tube. It's another one of those products where you try to get it online and it sells out like pancakes. So I'm gonna open this for you and show you what's inside. Let's just put this on the side somewhere safe. Oops. Sorry, I meant safe. And there is a wrapped, somewhat of a burrito wrap here. Alright, so it looked like we got something for the STI again. And of course, as you can see by the coloration, some gradient burns. And yes, titanium part. New product from chasingjs that I've been trying to get for a while now. The first time they released this product was already sold out within, I think, a couple hours, and I couldn't get my hands on it. I was too dang slow. But anyway, if you see up closely, I don't know if the camera can catch, but there are some engraved STI logos here. Look like some laser etched STI logos. Of course, chasingjs knocked it out of the park again. If you're wondering what kind of part this is, these are the door seals on the, I think the kicker panel for the STI is that. If you look down by the door, you'll see that aluminum plate that says STI on it. This will actually replace the OE aluminum door seals. Of course, they included some 3M tape that you'll have to stick on, but let me open one. Now I know I'm touching this with my bare hands, but I'm gonna clean it as soon as I put it into the car. But oh wow, look at that, there you go. Don't mind all the Gundam stuff, that's just my project that I need to get done soon because I've been slacking. But anyway, here you go. Let me focus into that. But yeah, look at that, the STI logo. And then you got the gradient burns with the chasingjs logo in the corner here. And get that in. There you go. Nice touch. So this is the titanium door seals for the 15 plus STIs from chasingjs. If you want to check out their products at chasingjs, I will put a link in the description below. But before we move on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, so you can check out what I have got going in the channel. If you can hear that, that's a Prius with a catalytic converter missing. Alright, let's go downstairs, man. Let's go install this bad boy.
If you're interested in this part or all the other titanium parts I got from my STI, check out their website at chasingjs.com. I am not sponsored by chasingjs by any means. I just love the products they put out and their customer service is awesome. So please support and show them some love. And if you're not up to date or haven't seen my other videos featuring chasingjs titanium parts, I will leave links to the videos in the description below. Please smash the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. For those that have already subscribed, much mahalos. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Peace and aloha.